Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to try the latest Galaxy on Samsung phone. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, you will need to download the app. For that, you can just scan the Try Galaxy QR code and get to the website, or you can just type in trygalaxy.com to get to this webpage. Here, tap on the Try Now button and you will be able to download the app. Simply, tap on the three dots icon at top right corner and then select Add to Home Screen from the drop-down menu. Once done, close the browser and the Try Galaxy app will be added to your app drawer. Now, open the app and you will be greeted with some guide and instructions. You can then just scroll through the apps and then try the features. For example, you can try the Sketch to Image feature and get help from the Samsung AI to create images from a simple sketch. Another feature you can try out is Photo Assist. You can use it by pressing on an object to either move it, erase it, or enlarge it. You can also use it to adjust angles to fill backgrounds easily. You can also explore new options within the Settings app and then try them out. There's another feature within the Camera app. There is a new Pro Visual Engine being implemented to the Camera app to get higher quality photos. But that's not it. You can try all of these features by using the Try Galaxy app on your own device. And that's basically how you can try the latest Galaxy on Samsung phone. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.